Yo, we back. And we about to lock in right away because gold is selling and I need to send you guys this signal real quick. So let's get right into it, man. We are now in Asian session, guys. I missed my entry up there, so I'm gonna have to get in here. I'm gonna do it. Alright, we'll do an entry here. And then I really want to have a pending order there, but I'll just send it later. I'll just do it later. Let me go ahead and send the signal to you guys right now. Price is coming off the daily. Entry is literally at the daily. And then we're going to have stop loss under the daily.
Soon as it drop, this shit over with. Getting older now, I can't really hang around unless I benefit. I would've went and bought a chain, but that'd be ignorant. Why not buy some land, start building and shit before into the city? That's an immigrant, grateful cause it used to be a winner with some pills. Think about the ones I lost, you can see the children.
Let me just delete this now real quick. We'll do something like this. Alright, I think we'll go here, man, for tomorrow. Back to this area here. We're looking about 200 pips. We'll have TP1, TP2. So we'll say TP1 is right here, the last retest, to keep going. Alright, let's lock in on this. Here we go. Why I'm selling? We've been expecting this all week. I think it's pretty much time now. Confirmation I'm looking at is saying time to go. So let's hop in again. I'm already in, guys, so make sure you guys get in on your account if you want to take advantage of this move. Why we selling gold? It's underneath the daily. Simple as that. We're not even going to go into the details right now until I'm done sending this signal. And this is a super tight stop loss. Well, not that big of a stop loss trade. Right here, it's gonna pull back. So I have 50 pips. Right here, 3342.88. 33. 43. 88.88. So let me pull it up. 33, 42.88 right there. Stop loss right here on this side. You guys can see that. Entries around this area here, anywhere around this area. Let's see if we break the weekly. I think we will this time because we already did last time here. Crazy during London, and then we're gonna try again this time during London. So let's see. All right, CP1, 100 pips. We selling at price 3337.205. SL 3342 for about 50 pips. We'll do 55 pips because it's a little bit later entry. That's 33 42 42 188. Alright, and we're gonna do take profit. TP number 1 at price 3328.146. All right. TB2. Three, 3328.146. 200 pips we're looking for on this one. Oops. We dropping.
Nobody told me.
Got
Just try to hold me. And little broly. Now I'm the OG. Used to ride with wine. White chicken spots. He had to do some time. That shit just stopped. I had to clear my mind.
Order filled.
Order filled. Stop loss above the trend line.
I miss my Uncle Rich. Just talk to Uncle
TV
Rich.
down here.
Mama give my son a kiss. Cause I've been out the city. Trained the bitch in all kind of designer. Now she acts a ditty. Crazy how I first met the bitch. She ain't have a penny. My gallery shirt ain't got nothing on it. But it's 750. I'm high as hell with black Versace shades on. Feeling like I'm big. A little nigga pockets real big. But a nigga skinny. Put up in the 580. Next day it's the A series. Tell me what you need. Cause we loaded. Just gotta load in. That's a more token. I heard it pay the highs in that time. Then we going. We busted bricks of white down right now. I feel snowed in. Nobody showed me. Nobody warned me. Nobody told me. Niggas just tried to hold me. And little bro me. Now I'm the OG.
No. Price is under. This will be our second entry under the daily that hit take profit smoothly. If this once this one goes in, if it doesn't, stop loss trade. Part of the game. Alright, signal is sent. This is how it's looking. Right here. Put stop loss, you know. If it's wrong, just get out. Put a loss. Signal right here. It could be an early entry, but it's worth the try. Alright, there you go, guys. This is the perfect opportunity to enter the sale now. Like, if you're gonna catch this move, if you're gonna take, if you're gonna take agent session signal, right now is the time. Alright, what's going on, Randy? What's going on, chat? I like Top Step, bro. It's pretty smooth. I do plan on doing the copy trade with Top Step real soon here. What's going on, Dion? As you guys know, this is the last day on YouTube. We're moving over fully to Twitch. Moving forward, so see how it goes, man. See how it goes. But chat, let me know what you guys think about gold, man. What you guys think it's gonna do? Think it's gonna sell, or you think it's gonna buy? Or sell now, buy later, buy now, sell later. What you guys thinking? I want to hear your opinion. Worst case scenario, signal could stop loss could trigger. Already keeping that in mind. Probably give a new higher high. Cause usually for me, to be honest, the best signal is London session when I have a strong daily high, daily low, and then I'm pretty much good, you know. But it's worth to take the trades and Asian session, because a lot of time the move starts in Asian session. You could make some profit during Asian session to risk during London session, or find a perfect entry for a trend trade and Asian session going into the London session in the new day. So we'll be able to get to see things like that happening as well. Realistically, let's say I'm scalping. If price literally go above this moving average right here on the minute time frame, I would be out this trade, realistically. But right now we do have a red signal sell for gold. It's pretty nice. $800 MA right here. There's a lot of resistance zones that would be holding price from not going up here. Now, if it does go up, we signed up for this. It may even retest up here, which would be tough. By that time, that'll be a break of the daily entry, so that'll be like a stop loss for a scalper if you were a scalper. Let's see. We might get a retest at the daily. Right up there, so be on the lookout. And one thing I am noticing as well here is this daily right now, the daily entry is way lower than yesterday's daily entry as well, so something to keep in mind.
tricks. I ain't pocket, I show when I land. She when I slide to the spot, I tell her tricks, bring her the friend.
Today's gonna be a big day for gold, man, because it's gonna have to decide really which direction that it wants to go to, you know. And I won't be surprised too if price turn around and start selling like crazy. I mean, start buying like crazy.
In a regular day, we just fuck up a minute in a rush. Look at the top of your us. You know we came in the dust. You got nothing to say. Better sit down and hush. You can be better than us. I got shooters, they ready to run. And they running to me. Mama told me don't play with them. I just came in from bagging them. Looking up, we just buzzing it. We just going, just press.
I ain't gonna lie, man. Gold been tough, bro. Like, exactly what he's doing right now. He's been doing that all New York sessions, bro. Like, annoying as hell. Like, super, super annoying. Like, gosh. And it's probably gonna do the same shit right now. I'm not even gonna be surprised.
Remember those days and I had to ask Bob for price when I went to the store. I'm not the same kid that like before. My brothers are asking me getting some more. In a regular day, we just fuck up a minute in a rush. Look at the top of your ass.
Alrighty, come on, go what you got for us. It's kind of look, I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of looking bullish. If price breaks, there's a 5-minute 800 MA. If price breaks that area, then that's basically our sign that we may not go, but stop loss is still 50 pips, you feel me? We signed up for this. You gotta know how much you're going to lose on your trade too, like exactly to the T by calculating the lot size and everything. Wow, actually it's looking very bullish, no line. Very bullish here. Also, right in the middle of the Bollinger Band on the 30-minute time frame, it's pretty tough. I could see why it's having a hard time. But we still bearish, it says. Pull back. Last straw, 5-minute time frame. $800 MA. See if we get a break here or a complete turnaround. We We at the resistance zone. This was a 5 minute resistance zone we rejected off right now. For the best entry actually. Alright. Let's see if we break past support on this trade. That was a beautiful rejection. Which means we got a strong resistance zone there. This is literally my limit, personally. If it breaks this high, I'm out of there. Feeling kind of chilly. Let me go ahead and get my robe or something. It's cold here. I'll be back. All right, beautiful rejection of the 5 minute 800. All right, let's see how market behaves from here. Like I said, if it breaks that daily, count me out. At least for this session. If it breaks the daily for Asian session, I'm not gonna be in the trade. Personally. Because my risk is just too big to just sit in that drawdown before my main session, which is London. You feel me? But overall, if you do enter or re-enter, stop loss is still about 50 pips around the price I sent. If stop loss fully triggered there, we're buying. Most likely. Yeah. The 4 hour on the half trend. Let's see. Oh, I just seen something here. Something turned red. I think it was a half trend. Where did that half trend turn red at? I think it was the 1 minute here, but it changed back. So, right here. We should get the red half trend, break down, go lower, reach the weekly, then we good. Once we at the weekly, looking to break that support, then our entry at the daily is safe. Entries in this area will all be safe. That looks ugly here though, I ain't gonna lie. We could definitely possibly go up there. Right here, half trend is freaking green, which is not good. Not good for us. We need that thing to be red. Alright, let's see 15. Let me see. Alright, we got 50 MA and half trend is red here on the 15-minute time frame. That's very good news. I hope that price actually pushes. let's see here. We back at the 1 minute 800. All these areas is where we should take our entries. Like if we lose here, this is a great attempt. Alright, 30-minute time frame. Look at this shit. Dude, this right here, this has been killing traders, including myself, all day today. All day. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up and down, up and down. True consolidation, but this consolidation lasted the whole New York session and after, which was super, super annoying as hell. But it is what it is. We just let it be. But right now we see this entry. This is where price should go for the sell. If it doesn't, let's say price breaks this daily, trade would not be looking too good right now for the sell. But overall, it should go. I mean, I don't see why not. We just tested at the middle Bollinger Band earlier today. It couldn't break. Dropped like crazy back down here. And then right here now, price is underneath 50 MA, but half trend is still green, which makes it a little bit of an issue. But overall, it's looking good. And on the daily here, we are bearish for the day, so that's good. Unless it flips, but we are definitely bearish for the day, for right now. So we'll have to wait and see how this thing play out, man. Seems like it reached weekly on the daily to turn around for a buy from what it's looking like here. I hope that's not what I'm seeing. Either way, it doesn't matter for real. But I would really like to see a sell for sure. On the daily, we got half trend is green. We got 50 MA red bearish. I don't see why not. This week was super annoying. I think this was a consolidation week for a major breakout next week, just because the way this candle looked. And see, it's still pretty much all green bullish on that weekly time frame. But on the monthly time frame, we are really at a wick area. You know what I'm saying? This could even probably be like a wick sell entry. Let's say price started to go down a little bit more, a little bit more, and a little bit more. That'd be crazy. But overall, it's looking very, very good. It's been on a downtrend. Okay, so here's where we at again. Here's our trade. We still bearish, it says here. The only thing I don't like on this time frame, H4, is the fact that this crazy candle here is so bullish, push price all the way up and just got us in a consolidation all during the whole freaking New York session, which was super annoying. Like I was annoyed because I was just kind of watching how it's playing out. Yeah, it was not the best. But right now, even right now, like, it's consolidating. Realistically, I just want to go to sleep so I could wake up later on for London session, have a tight stop loss, wake up for London session, and attack. You see what I'm saying? But overall, this risk is worth it as far as like us entering where we entered, and then maybe having a super tight stop loss right above the daily. It's worth it. It's so worth it. Like my stop loss is, personal stop loss is around about 20 pips away for real. Cause that'll be above the daily, and I don't want to be in that moment of drawdown for right now. Especially the fact that I know London session haven't come yet. So yeah, London session would definitely be a good entry opportunity if we get this sell now. If not, it's just going to be consolidation, man. All right, let's see in the 5 minute time frame. What can we have that's giving us some sort of like confirmation, letting us know that we're going down. Confirmations are very important. Very important, guys. We need those to take our best trades. If not, you know, we only human. We always gonna make mistakes. But having confirmations, game plans, guidelines to follow makes trading a bit less stressful. As long as we follow it, of course. You feel me? You gotta follow it. All right, here it is. Nice rejection again off the daily. This is a beautiful re-entry opportunity. Actually, I'm gonna re-enter one of my accounts here. Never mind. It's already close to my entry. Y'all think gold gonna drop for us or no? We literally underneath the daily. What you guys think, chat? To be honest, guys, I've come to a point where I already know what's at risk in the market. I already know every trade is a risk. No, I don't even really care anymore, man. Once I enter the trade, I have the stop loss. I don't care anymore what happens too much. I try not to attach myself to the results, just more focus on the inputs, like the action steps that I'm doing. And it's been working fine. Like I haven't really had a breakthrough just yet, like a crazy 200, 300, 400 pip, 500 pip day or week yet on gold with big lots. But I'm seeing the move so clearly, and I'm able to just like, all right, this is what's going on. This is how I should react. Because ultimately, man, these moves, they just keep repeating themselves over and over and over and over and over again. That's all I see they're doing. Always repeating themselves over and over. So it's just like, how do you like get in tune with the pattern? And once you do, you have results back to back. Because you be now what we call momentum. Market. Yeah, I think we're gonna get a nice big move soon, man. It's just a matter of like patient, not over risking your account. You know, make sure that when you do take losses, it's not like crazy loss where you're now handicapped on the next setup. That's why having a stop loss is crucial. Knowing exactly how much you're gonna risk on the move is super, super, super crucial. I'm telling you, man, super crucial. So yeah, I just keep staying locking in. Stay locked in. I've been in position, man, where I've blown my account, and I just have to literally sit there and watch the move go without me being in it. That's like the worst, bro. like the worst. Like, yeah. Especially if it was a big move. Like you were so impatient. You just kept stacking trade and just like just doing whatever randomly. And then when the real move comes, it's like that was it. You know what I mean? You missed the move because you got knocked out. You got taken out the game. So yeah, let's just stay prepared. Stay prepared. I'm gonna put a trend line here because that's my personal stop loss on this type trade because I prefer to scalp it than anything right now. Since my real best entry is going to be for later. But I am going to add this trend line here just so I could be able to properly see how price is going to respect this zone here. And it is respecting it very nice. Gold looking good so far. We had a very nice rejection from the high. So that was beautiful to see. But when the move is ready, guys, we're gonna see it so clearly. We're gonna be taking crazy actions. When I mean crazy action, not stacking a lot of trades, more so like doing your best lot size at the right time. All right, who's in gold? Perfect entry, man. Fuck, I forgot to re-enter on my account. The other entry up here. I could do it right here at the 50 MA. All right, those two trades. That's it. Let me add stop loss. This one I could probably hold to 50 pips. Right above this area is fine, really. Why does it always feel like when you're losing it's like it's a lot, and when you're winning it's a little bit? uh, Gotta love trading, man. I love what we're doing though. We're trading the proper way, and we're not stacking trade. We're following this game plan here. Realistically, right now is the time that we should be in a trade. Literally 30 minutes ago, basically, we should have been in a trade. So that's the window for Asian, and then I'm gonna look for a nice re-entry opportunity during the London session. Yeah, I can't wait for the London session. Actually, yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I'm kind of tired though. You guys probably can hear my voice because of the schedule that I've had. I actually did make some changes to the schedule, guys. When I'm gonna show up for the streams on Switch, which is gonna be 6 p.m. Eastern time. That I'll be there for about an hour or two, so I could have enough time to actually get a good 5 hours of sleep in, and then wake up during the London session so I could at least execute my trade before I go back to sleep. If I go back to sleep, yeah. So yeah, I literally reorganized my whole life, my whole pattern, everything about everything, just to become a master at what I do, guys. Like master. And the level of focus I'm on right now, 6 months gonna be crazy. All right, look at that. Look at that. We are dropping nicely, just like I want to see. Now, I want this to keep going. So, let me zoom out. Let's see. Go target this, just like it broke this area, I needed to target this low, break it, retest, keep going down lower and lower and lower. So let's see how we're gonna perform and behave here. All right, good respect of the daily entry as well, literally. Right here as well, looking beautiful. Who's in profit? I am. I'm in profit. Trading at the right time. Boom. Just like that. Just like that. Imagine, right? And I'm gonna show you how we're gonna scale. Because remember, once we show up at the right time and we trade at the right time, that's really all that matters. So how are we going to scale, right? The same way we take that trade, right? The same way we took that trade is the same way. Hold on. Make sure. One second. Just making sure I have my ducks in order here for this trade for the Asian session. All right, look. Here we are. The same way we took this trade on gold, right? And it's going down very smoothly right now. Right here. It's the same way you would have taken this trade over time as you get better. Around this area here, even maybe exactly at the daily line, you would do a 5 standard, a 10 standard, a 20 standard, 100 standard over time as you get better, of course, as you get more used to the schedule, more used to the entries, how it works, and also have more equity from consistent growth you had over months, years, to be able to comfortably 5 standard, 10 standard risk in 2 to 5K per trade to make 10K plus, which is not bad, you know what I'm saying? So let's keep practicing. Right now for me, I'm getting used to it. So before I scale up, I need to get used to the habit of how I'm taking the trade, like getting the repetition mode of how I'm executing every time I'm doing it. Every time I show up to make bread, what time I'm showing up and how am I executing, like going in the market, which is the most important. Once you have that flow down, and let's say you're doing that consistently with a lot size you're comfortable with, the only thing that changes in that routine is just you increase your lot size. But it's easier said than done, of course, and you definitely have to hold yourself accountable at all times to make it. Or else you find yourself self-sabotaging yourself every time. All right, guys. I ain't gonna lie. In 4 minutes, I'm going to sleep, man. Kind of tired, and I need to be up for that London, so I could literally stay up probably throughout the whole London to New York and cash out by market close. So that's my personal game plan that I have for the next few hours. Market open, and we'll see how they go. We will see how it goes. Who's in goal right now? The pullbacks be feeling like you is trying to make you feel like you wrong, like it's not gonna go, just so it could go. It's funny. But we'll see. We'll see how this trade play out, man. We got a good entry, decent stop loss. We're not losing too much on the session, so we'll see how it goes. Nice, 400 in profit, Dion. That's what's up. Good job. Just trail stop loss, and this could be a long-term trade as it goes the direction. That's how you try. That's how you manage the trade now. I'm in profit, guys. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man, for the night. To be honest, there ain't nothing else to talk about or do. We got perfect entry from the daily. Hold the trade and see how it plays out. I hope we break this zone here, but that's pretty much it for me, man. So with that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all later. We're gonna be back Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern time on Twitch. So Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern time on Twitch. All right, then, gangs. Talk to y'all soon, chat. See you guys on Twitch Monday. Peace out.